What if you could choose your colors and typography before your site is built? Right now you can't. You plan your site structure, then hope the design matches your vision later. Styles for AI Site Planner lets you apply colors and typography in the wireframe. Preview the complete design before generating your WordPress site.
Let's see how this feature works. Build your free website with ZipWP.com.